Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the secret Deadman's Compass to complete the Black Pearl quest in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you the Black Pearl quest. And as you can see here, one of the quests is finding the secret Deadman's Compass. And I'm going to show you where you can find the compass. Okay, first thing first, you need to have diving gear because we need to dive to find the compass, and then you need to go to the lost isle and just go ahead, and then you will find this place, this rock, and then you need to dive. Okay, don't forget to put on the diving gear. Okay guys, the compass is here. As you can see, the dead man compass, and then you just need to pick it up. Okay, and I have already picked the compass, and then let's see. And as you can see, I have completed the finding the secret dead man's compass mission or quest. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the dead man's compass in Fish It game on Roblox to complete the Black Pearl quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.